Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. In today's video, we are going to look at how to make ginger oil for hair growth. So if you don't know that ginger can help you to grow your hair fast and long without spending a lot of days, please, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make ginger oil at home for hair growth. So it means you have to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And guys, don't forget to give a like to this video, to comment on this video, and of course to subscribe if you have never subscribed. Okay, so right now let us go to our preparation. I'll be back in a few minutes. Hello my dear friends, welcome back once again. In today's video we are looking at how to make ginger oil for hair growth. So if you are interested to learn how to increase on the growth of your hair, you have to try out this home recipe, because today I'm going to show you how to use ginger to make ginger oil for the hair growth. And trust me, besides hair growth, ginger oil helps to prevent hair breakage and prevents hair fall, and at the same time it makes your hair soft. So from that, I want you to get for me 2 pieces of ginger like the way you are seeing in this video. Remove the outer parts of your ginger as you see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so guys, I'm requesting you have to watch the entire video, because I'm going to tell you how to use this home recipe for hair growth. Okay, so it means watch the entire video. And please guys, don't forget, for such amazing videos, visiting my YouTube channel Family TV Uganda, and subscribe for more. So link is in my TikTok bio. Visit for easier subscribing. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. So go right now to my TikTok bio. There's a link for my YouTube channel Family TV Uganda, and subscribe for more. As you see, after removing the outer parts of your ginger, make sure that you grate your ginger very well. Guys, this home recipe is very powerful. Trust me, if you're looking to increase on the growth of your hair, you need this home recipe. If you want to prevent hair breakage, try out this home recipe. If you want to stop hair fall, please, you need this home recipe. And of course, if you need to stop hair itching, you need also this home recipe. And if you'd like to make your hair soft and smooth, please, you need also this home recipe. That's why I'm telling you, you have to watch the entire video up the end, because you have to know how to use this home recipe. And remember, this video is somehow long, but it's so educative. If you're a lady, if you're a man, please, you need such amazing videos. So watch up the end. But as usual, I told you, for such videos, go to YouTube, look for Family TV Uganda, and subscribe for more. If you're watching this video on TikTok, I'm going to put a link for my YouTube channel in my TikTok bio. Just go and click on that link and subscribe, so that you don't miss out such amazing videos. But as you see, after grating your ginger, get yourself empty bottle. Okay, put all your cutted ginger in your empty bottle as you see. Okay, and remember, Family TV Uganda welcomes everyone, guys. So if you love Coach Uganda, go to YouTube, look for Family Coach Uganda. And if you're on Facebook, I'm going to put a link for my YouTube channel up there. You just click on that link and go and subscribe. Okay, but guys, from that, I want you to get for me coconut oil. Okay, get yourself coconut oil, and then add your coconut oil to your grated ginger as you see in this video, guys. Trust me, this is amazing recipe. This recipe can make wonders, and you'll be surprised with the results, because this is what you need for your hair daily routine. So try me, guess what, you'll be shocked with the results. But from that, guys, make sure that your coconut oil covers the entire grated ginger which you have put in your favorable container. Try to mix very well as you are seeing this video, guys. From that, guess what's next? I want you to cover your bottle very well, guys. Cover your bottle very well, okay? And you are going to keep that bottle for 1 week in a cool, dry place for 1 week, guys. So this is what comes next after 1 week. Put your bottle in your favorable container once again. And I want you to get for me hot boiled water, okay? Pour your water to the container which contains your recipe, as you are seeing, guys, in this video, guys, okay? So you have to do like the way I'm doing right now, and keep on mixing your recipe very well. But guys, I'm requesting you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And of course, I'm requesting you guys, don't forget to be liking my video, okay, to comment on this video, to subscribe, and of course to share this video to your friends, okay? This is what, guys, you need for such amazing results of your hair growth. So guys, I love you so much, but guys, keep on mixing. But guys, I'm requesting you, if you love Coach Uganda, go to YouTube, look for Femina TV Uganda, subscribe for more. Remember, I welcome everyone. You're a man, you're a lady, you have children, please go to YouTube, look for Femina TV Uganda, okay? Link is in my TikTok bio, why not? As usual, we love you, I need you, I love you so much, guys, okay? But remember, on Facebook, Coach Uganda, Instagram, Coach Uganda, TikTok, Coach Uganda. On YouTube, you can look for Femina TV Uganda, link in my TikTok bio, or you can look for Coach Uganda. Guns in far. Guys. So this is what you need for such amazing videos. From that, guys, after, I want you to filter your home remedy very well. Guys, make sure that you filter your home remedy very well, because we need just oil from your recipe. This is a powerful remedy. This is a powerful recipe for your hair growth. So don't forget to share this video to your friends, to subscribe, okay, to comment, of course to invite your friends to our YouTube channel as usual, guys. I love you so much, okay? And guys, thanks for watching my videos always. Thanks for sharing my videos always. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for saving my videos. But why not, if you follow me on TikTok for such latest videos, go to YouTube, okay? Link is my TikTok bio. Go and subscribe so that you don't miss out interesting videos which I always upload every day, guys, okay? But watch the entire video. At the end, I'll be back in a few minutes. Love you so much. You have seen our preparation. I'm requesting you, after making your ginger oil, I want you to apply that oil in your hair and scalp. Massage your scalp at least for 5 minutes. From that, leave that oil to stand in your hair at least for 2 hours. From that, use water and shampoo to clean your hair. You can repeat the procedure at least 3 days in the week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Trust me, in 4 weeks, you won't remain the same. Ginger oil for hair growth can make wonders. Remain Coach Uganda. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again. Ciao, ciao.